Assalamualaikum everyone and welcome to my channel. This is Aladdin. In today's video I am going to show you how to use San Andreas filter on Instagram, and without further delay let's get it started. The first step is to make sure your Instagram account is updated. So let's open Instagram, and then in my case it is already updated, so I'll open it. The second step is to look for account called Kevin Kochi. If I pronounced it correctly, I'll open it. I will put this name on the video description, so don't worry. Once you open the account, you click here and then you will find this effect. You download it from here. In my case it is downloaded, so it will remove it automatically. I will download it again, save to camera, and then I will go to record new video, whether it is a status or a story. Let's record a story. So as you can see here, you will be able to see the effect here. So once you start clicking on it, you will see the characters of San Andreas.